Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Trello account in 2024. So I'll be walking you through how to create a Trello account. Whether you are new to Trello or you're just setting up a fresh account as an example. It's super simple and important of course for you to create a Trello account. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm going to use Brave browser, and of course for you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, simply just go to this URL section normally and type trello.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will find yourself in the home screen or main screen of Trello account. In here, of course, normally if you have an account, you will have to go and click on login. But for us, we would like to create an account, so click on get Trello for free to create a new account. So to create an account, you'll have to fill up your email. And as you can see, by signing up, I accept that the Atlassian Cloud Term of Service and I acknowledge the privacy policy. So make sure to read them both, especially, I don't know, it's better to read them, even if no one do. Not no one, like PayPal actually does, but it's fine. It's up to you to do or not. So then start filling up your email as an example. So, okay, I have an account with this email. I'll just go and fill up another one in here at gmail.com, then click on sign up. Of course, as an example, or as you saw before, so let me just go and open a new one. You can use, sorry, so okay, I'll just stay on this one. So as you can see, what brings you here today: organize ideas and work, track personal tasks and to do, manage team projects, create and automate your team workflow. Of course, make sure to also accept the cookies. You can accept just necessary ones or accept all. It's up to you. So for me, I just opened like here Trello on another browser. Why? To show you like a thing that I forgot, that you can go and create an account as an example. If you have like a Google account, Microsoft account, Apple account, and Slack account, you can simply just go and create your account or log in into it using one of those accounts if you have one of them, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Of course, once you do so, you will find yourself on the same place that I am in here right now. So as you can see, what brings you here, as you can say, we can simply just answer questions which would help us or will help Trello customize the Trello experience for us. For me, for you, you can skip if you don't want to answer questions. But for me, as an example, I'll just answer like those questions. So track personal tasks on to-do list. Why not? Then continue. It all started with the board. So a board is where work happens in Trello. You'll find your cards, lists, due dates, and more to keep you organized on track. So try to get like or to answer or to give a name for your board. So for me, I'll just name it here Omics tasks and hit the next button. How or now organize your board with lists. You'll have to name the list. So as an example, urgent, I'll just name like a list urgent. Another list as an example, I'll name it, I don't know, important. The last one as example, I'll just name it do it on weekends. On weekends. And yeah, then click on next. So now you'll have to choose like card names. As you can see, the preview will be able to see it here. So we have urgent, important, and do it on weekends. So cards are building blocks for things you need to do, organize or share a teammate's example. You can also set like due dates for cards so you'll never miss a thing. You can add titles for a few cards in your urgent lists. So example, for urgent lists, I don't know, maybe take out the trash. It's urgent, why not? Take out the trash. Card name 2, on urgent. As an example, study for the exam. Study for the exam. Yeah. For this option, of course, you'll have to start inviting a team. As an example, so I'll invite one of my like emails in here. So I'll just type their Gmail in here. As you can see, I'll find them right here. So I'll just go and click on that. And yeah, I'll just click on continue. Of course, you can invite multiple ones if you want to involve them in your Trello board. So as an example, I don't know, maybe you are family, you can use Trello together. For tasks, you can type just a task and assign like your son, whoever you want to that specific task. So when they enter, they will find like a task and they are assigned to it as an example. So here, as an example, try Trello Premium for free for 30 days. You will get, of course, other than built-in automation unlimited power apps, you'll get unlimited collaborators, you'll get unlimited projects views, due dates, and assignees for checklist items, and also more. For me, I don't want that, so I'll just go here and click on skip. So once I click on skip, I'll just wait a little bit. And as you can see, I am on my workspace and I am on my board right now. Now, you can also add multiple lists as an example if you want to. You can add other tasks or other cards if you want to. You can also click on the tasks as we said, and you can assign members to it. So I'll just go here and assign this person that I invited to this specific task. For this, as an example, it's for me, so I'll just assign myself to it. As you can see, other than that, you can give it some labels. Maybe it's priority, maybe it's important or something like that. So you can go here and click on create a label. For me, I'll just name this one priority and give it like the red color. Click on create. And as you can see, I'll give it to this take out the trash priority. So other than that, you can link like tasks or cards together with simply click on this specific task. Maybe let me just go and create another task. And as an example, puts a new plastic bag. So I'll just go to this, take out the trash, go here and click on share. I'll get a link, copy that link, come in here, paste that link in here, click on save. And as you can see, once I click on save, basically, oh, sorry. Yeah, as you can see, I'll be taken to the other task. This is called linking tasks together. If you want to link tasks together, just simply go to share and make sure to have the link of the description of the other one. You can also like add labels, checklists, due dates, as an example, add some attachment like pictures and stuff, other stuff that I'll let you check it by your own. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.